Hi everyone, and welcome to the Sierra College Physics Department. Before you is the Equilibrium Lab. This will be for both 105 and 205. You'll need a meter stick, thread, a mass clamp for pivot, mass hanger, wood cylinder, 4 5-gram masses, the fulcrum, and the small digital scale. You may need scissors for the thread. In the theory, we're going to be looking at this meter stick as a rod pivoting around, and by attaching masses in different points, it'll be trying to either turn clockwise or counterclockwise around the pivot. So I'm going to attach the pivot, and to make it a little bit easier, I'm actually going to attach it upside down. So I'm going to put it over the edge. Now I will do my best to find the balance point, which should be around the 50 centimeter mark. And there you go. So it is currently balanced. There is no outside forces acting upon this trying to create a torque. So there is no spinning around that axis. We're going to be creating some attachments. To do that, take some of that thread, make a loop in it, and that loop, it's what's going to go around the meter stick. So what I am presenting is a loop attached to the cylinder. We do not have to worry about this being attached directly in the middle of the cylinder, because all the force produced by this mass will be acting directly down from where this is attached. I'm going to create a second loop in which we will attach the mass hanger to. So I have a second loop attached to the mass hanger. Please make sure to mass each item on the scale and record those masses. Note, the mass hanger is M1 and the wood cylinder is M2. We'll attach the mass hanger at 25 centimeters on the meter stick and record its position in table 1. Now we'll attach the wooden block, and our goal is to move the wooden block so that we achieve equilibrium. Make sure to record the 2 positions. Now we will add one of the 5-gram masses and readjust the wooden cylinder. Such that we find a second equilibrium point. Remove all 5-gram masses from M1 so that the hanger is just the hanger, and shift the center of mass point so it is located at approximately 55 centimeters. So this is center of mass, and we're going to shift it to 55 centimeters. You may then adjust the masses to find at any location to achieve equilibrium again. Once an equilibrium has been found, record the positions. Now change the positions of these to another position and find equilibrium again. You will do this for a total of 5 times. Once these measurements have been taken, you'll go ahead and fill out your tables and produce any graphs and or calculations that are necessary.